Hi, this is Dave, and I'm going to show you an alternate method to install the Marinco Power Products cam locks. The traditional method is to put the boot onto the cable first and then bring it forward over the contact at the end of assembly. And the issue is with some larger cable diameters. Typically this is found in 4/0 type W cable, where the cable diameter is larger than 0.94. The hard plastic piece in the middle will interfere with assembly. So the alternate method is to install the brass contact and the strain relief wire using the standard procedure. And we have another video that will show through the different steps. And at the end, then, you can cut this to the correct diameter that will match the cable diameter, and then slide the boot over the contact from the front. Make sure to align it, and then you can place the retaining screw in there. Another benefit that this will allow you to do is to pre-assemble the contacts onto the cable without choosing a boot color. So you may not know which color you need to use, whether that's black, red, blue, and you can pre-assemble the cables before choosing the color. Thank you for watching this video, and if you want more information, you can go to marincopowerproducts.com. Thanks.